Hello YouTube, it's me again, Derek, here with another video relating to the Meepo Nls. Today's video will hopefully be a complete range test of the NLS. We'll get out there, see how far we can go. The range test was supposed to be included in last week's video, however with the rain and the crash, that was not included. Hopefully today I can get out there and we can do a complete video for you guys. So before it starts raining again, let's go out and get riding.
Alright, let's go ahead and get the Strava app going.
Starting ride.
Alright, so off again. First thing though, not too concerning, I should say really concerning, is the rain clouds. But hopefully we can get a full video in today without having to worry about the rain. Not trying to fall again. From last week, if you didn't watch the video, I did crash. And yeah. But sealing up pretty good. Not exactly sure where I'm going for this range test, but do a little uphills, downhills, flats. And probably gonna stay mostly in ride mode 2 and 3, other than on main roads, I'll go to 4, which is pro. So let's get to riding. So one thing I did neglect to mention in last week's video was something I found out with their new remote. This new rubber wheel I had stick on me a few times. So let me see if I can get it to act up. Look at that. Stuck there, and I'm going. I'm not touching anything. And cruise control. A little concerning, but just got to make sure to actually pull back when I brake rather than just release. So let's keep going. Back on cruise control. Alright, so quick battery check. It's been about 20 minutes of riding or so. Board is at 71%, and we went 3.9 miles. Let's continue riding. Alright, battery stop number 2. We are at 45% and I've traveled 6.8 miles. So about halfway done. Let's keep going. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a new rattle in the rear end of my board. Check it out. So I'm now getting the warning that the battery's on its last life, so see how far we can go. Oh, we're getting closer. Struggling right now. Oh, is that it? 0. So we'll go find a bench and replace this battery. 12.2 miles, average speed of 13 miles an hour, and roughly about an hour of time. So that goes to show the battery is completely dead at 0. After sitting for a few minutes, I can get it to go very slow on a flat grade, but it's not gonna get you home if you have dead batteries. So let's go ahead and change it out and continue riding home. All right, so the new battery is now in the NLS, up to 100% again. Simple and quick to do, and gets me back riding. So let's go home, make it home. No rain, keep my fingers crossed. All right, made it back. No crashes, no rain, so it's a good day. Let's go inside. Who is it?
And we're back to where we started. Luckily today we neither had nor rain or a crash, so in my books it's a win. However, we did find out the range of the NLS, which is right about 12.5 miles. Exactly 12.2-ish. For the majority of the ride, I was in the economy mode and the expert mode. I did go into pro mode a few times for some steeper hills and any busy intersection that I may have. But one thing I guess we did test in today's video was more in depth with the NR remote. I found that it sticks actually a lot more than I initially thought. I don't know if you can see it, but pushing it up, yep, now it is stuck. So you just, overall though, I can't complain. It was a good day to ride. The weather was good, no falls like I said, and I don't know, it's always nice to get out and do a morning ride. So until next time, let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below, and subscribe.
I'm addicted to the game, addicted to the pain of sacrificing matters of the heart just to obtain, living a life most won't attain. And I know it is essential, but when it comes to love, man, that shit is subsequential. For now